Greetings everyone. My name is Darrell Esmund. Today I'm going to present about my bachelor degree project 1. So the title of my project 1 is Evaluating Electric Boat with Outboard Engine for Fishing Vessel. So there are 5 content for this slide, which is the introduction, literature review, methodology, expected result, and conclusion. Now I would like to talk about the background of this research. So first thing first, I'm gonna talk about the history of a fishing vessel. In 1950, fishing vessel was designed varied depending on the region. Traditional wooden vessels were outdated due to high maintenance costs and also limited lifespan. Today, fishing vessels were made from safer and more lasting materials. Then next, I'm gonna talk about a fishing vessel. A fishing vessel is a boat or a ship that is used to fish in lake, river, or sea. There are 3 categories of fishing vessel, which are commercial, artisanal, and recreational. And now I'm going to talk about the history of outboard engine. Gustav Troff invented the first electric outboard in May 1880. American Motors Corporation developed a 25 gasoline-powered outboard engine in 1896, but none of these experiments has much impact. Olaf Evinrude created the first successful outboard engine in 1909. So the problem statement of this research is the fuel price increase. In recent years, the pricing of fuel on international market have been increasingly unstable. Between the end of 2003 and middle of 2008, the nominal price of foreign fuel increased by more than 4 times, with the bulk of this increase occurring in 2007 and first half of 2008. So there are 2 main objectives for this research. The first one is to design a solar panel system for outboard engine that is used in fishing vessel. And the second one is to analyze the efficiency and power consumption of an electric outboard engine for fishing vessel. There are 3 scopes of research. The first one is investigating and analyzing the parameters of an electric outboard engine and the impact on the efficiency and power consumption of outboard engine. Second one is create and design a suitable solar panel system that can be used to power up an outboard engine for a fishing vessel. And lastly is evaluating the efficiency and power consumption of a solar electric boat by using the software MATLAB and Homer. Now we move on to literature review. So the first topic is about solar photovoltaic array, also known as PV. F. Sahardi have said that renewable energy will replace fossil fuel since they are clean and renewable. Solar PV arrays are a rapidly increasing renewable energy technology. They have many future applications. Second topic is about battery bank for solar system. Diouf, Bochar, Port, and Ramchadar have said that lithium-ion is proven to have many potential to be the major energy storage in off-grid renewable energy. The third topic is about outboard engine. Karkanis et.al. have said that in 1920s, Gustav Troff invented the outboard engine. This engine is mounted towards the boat and it is a one-module boat engine that consists of engine, transmission, and propeller. The fourth topic is solar charge controller. M. Lokesh Rardi have said that nonlinear solar PV characteristic and ambient condition diminish efficiency. Irradiance and weather affect the maximum power output of solar PV system. Solar PV power must be sent to a battery bank using a battery charger and charge controller to increase the efficiency. And lastly, the topic is about solar inverter. Shukr SS have said that inverters are crucial to solar energy system. Inverters convert DC electricity to AC voltage. During the literature review, I have found out that there are a few important components that need to be taken note of. So the first one is a solar PV. I have found out that there are three types of solar cell that is normally used in a solar system. So the first one is a monocrystalline silicon solar cell and a polycrystalline silicon cell and a thin film cell. Then next is the battery banks. There are three types of battery that is commonly used in a solar panel system. The first one is a lithium-ion batteries. The second one is lead-acid batteries and a nickel-cadmium battery. I have found out that there are two types of outboard engine that is normally used in a fishing vessel, which is the two-stroke engine and the four-stroke engine. So, fishing vessel can be categorized in three types, which is the commercial fishing vessel, artisanal fishing vessel, and the recreational fishing vessel. For solar charge controller, I have found out that there are two common charge controller, which is the MPPT solar charge controller and the PWM solar charge controller. And lastly is the solar inverter. There are two types of solar inverter that can be used in a solar panel system, which is the microinverter and the string inverter. Now I'm going to explain the methodology of this research. As you can see from the flowchart, it will begin with the project title approval. Then, after it approved by the supervisor, I will identify the background, study, problem statement, objective of the research, and the scope. Then I will make some research and perform a literature review. After done the research, I will begin the methodology. So for this methodology, I have identified and come out with a design of a solar panel by using a software. There are few proper selection that need to be made to make a suitable solar panel. After that, by using MATLAB, I am able to construct the panel electric current. And lastly, I will use the Homer software to analyze the efficiency and power consumption of the electric engine that will be used for the fishing vessel. They will have three expected outcomes from this research. The first one is to come out with a suitable solar panel system that can be used for fishing vessel. Second one is using a software such as MATLAB to design the solar system current for fishing vessel. And lastly is to find the efficiency and power consumption that is required by electric outboard engine using the Homer software. So in conclusion, solar panel systems are thought to be clean and environmentally friendly. Solar panels simply needed sunshine to convert sunlight into energy to power the outboard motor. Students will also be able to investigate the key components of a solar panel system and estimate the efficiency and power consumption of an electric engine. And lastly, Diesel engines are considered to be less expensive than electric engine, although they need more maintenance than electric engine. So that's all from me. Thank you.